Hey guys, Ron here with Rising Sun Properties. This next one is back in Atami. As you'll see from the photos I'll post here, it's got an amazing onsen style shower, and for the price is a really good buy. It is in a resort style area with some yearly fees. However, they're not that expensive. This property has already been sold to a client who's working with us, and with their permission, we're posting it. But it is a very good example of the kind of property that you can get in this area. Please like and subscribe. I do have two properties that are going to be direct and exclusive with Rising Sun Properties in the same area. They've been renovated. One's very nice. So if you're interested in properties in Atami, stay tuned because those will be coming out in the next week or so. But for now, enjoy this property at $36,000, I believe is what it is. I think it's a very good property to consider. There are lots of opportunities out there. We just kind of have to search and see what there is. But for now, enjoy the tour. Here's the road leading up to this property in Atami. There it is up on the hill. It's a 5.8 million yen, 36,000 USD property. As you can see, it's quite hidden in the trees, which is nice to give it some privacy. Here's the layout. It's two-story 4K built in 1973, 102 square meters building and about 500 total. It is a 15-minute drive from Atami Station. You can park out on the bottom of the street, but there is no actual parking to this property. But we did ask the agent. This home has been sold to one of our buyers, and they agreed to let us put it on the channel. I think it's a great example of what you can buy. Just have to look around. Overall, this home is in really good condition, and the bath, as you saw in the preview, is absolutely amazing. Here's the entranceway. See, it has this nice wood tone feel to the property, a bit of a cabin feel. Higher doors, very spacious feeling. This is the living room area with the kitchen off to the back. You see a place that they have a dining table set up. Here's with the shutters shut. You can see it does a pretty good job of keeping the light out. And here it is open. Was an overcast day with some rain, but even so, there's a lot of natural light coming in. Not exactly sure what that is. Some kind of hookup. Does have two balconies, one on the bottom and one on the second floor. And just a really cozy spot. This is a resort property. All the resort properties seem to be a little bit different. And this one does have some yearly fees, although they're quite low. No onsen connection to this, which we've never had any clients move forward with the onsen because it can be quite expensive to get set up. But the bath is amazing nonetheless. Here's the kitchen. As you can see, it has been renovated. So a good example of a home that I think is pretty much turnkey. One of the shutters was off upstairs, but I think they're actually fixing that before they sell the property officially. So I think overall this is a really good buy. You don't see these kind of properties for this price too often, but they are out there. Look out the back door. See some stuff like this, the paneling coming off, which is to be expected, but not a huge issue. Sliding door into the toilet and sink area. And this place here for your washing machine. Door wasn't closing properly. And then off to the right of here is the bath area. Water was on, electricity was on. Check to make sure everything's working properly. Not always able to check because the water's not on. Here it was. And here's the bath and shower area. You can see it's a very onsen style. You've actually got two places to shower and a bath. In Japan, people often do bathe and shower together. I know in Western countries it seems a little bit weird and awkward, but it's kind of a normal occurrence even with adults in Japan. So if that's a little bit strange to you, it's just a cultural difference. And here's the bath. You can see the water coming out onto the rock there to fill it up. Quite large. Again, no actual onsen water, but that's like 8,000 yen to hook up, and you'll have a fee every 5 or 10 years. That's quite expensive as well. So if you really want that, they are out there, but you will have to pay. Found a little bit of a soft spot right there. Some air vents on the wall there you can open up. And onto the second floor. Couple bedrooms up here, as well as a sink and a bit of a storage area. Here's a 6 tatami room, kind of that more traditional style stucco wall. You see this green color quite often. There's another one of those vents I was talking about, and air cons there. Air cons will stay, and they are newer and able to use. Here's some closet. You saw outside where one of those shutters had fallen off. And a bit of a walk-in closet here. Some nice storage. Couple angles of this room. And look at that closet opened up. So decent use of space up here. Down the hallway to the second room. Doors look to be closing pretty flush. This is an 8 tatami room, I believe. So a little bit larger. See, there is a gas output down below where you can hook up a gas heater. Very nice in the winter. Another air vent. And the air cons there, we have negotiated to keep the air conditioners in. Those do heat and cool. I think they're called mini splits. And here's a look from the top balcony. A bit of an overcast, but still able to have a pretty nice view. You can see some of the water out there as well. Atami is a popular area. I think back in the late 70s and 80s, it was very popular for Japanese. A lot of building going on here as a holiday homes. That generation's getting older, wanting to sell their properties, and it's creating an opportunity for foreign buyers to have a home away from home. And this is a great area, lots of nature, decently connected to Tokyo. Some attic storage, and this second sink up here. Nice, so you don't have to brush your teeth downstairs, although there is only one toilet, which is on the first floor. Might have been a toilet in this area. You see that cutout there. So they might have upgraded it. Might have been a cesspool type of situation, but now it's just storage. taking a walk around. You can see the shutters are shut up now. Always nice to have if you're going to be gone for an extended period of time to help protect from typhoons and other weather. My umbrella string hanging there. Very quiet, peaceful area. If you're okay driving, renting a car, there are homes like this out there. If you want something more accessible for train, this area can be a little bit difficult. There's the water heater and storage area. And with the square meterage, there's quite a bit of land that comes with this, although much of it is going to be unusable just because of the layout, but still nice to have. And here's down below. Took a look underneath. Looked pretty solid. You see this concrete build. So there's an example of a home here in Atami. Lots of opportunity. If you're interested in purchasing in this area, please reach out via email or WhatsApp. Happy to have an initial consultation call at no charge. We are a licensed real estate agent, have lots of experience over the last 2 years. Thank you so much for watching and have a great week.